Kashika, welcome you back to Abhyas Institute of Education. So in today's video, we will be doing the literature of chapter 7, class 10, lesson 7 of plan form. This is a very interesting chapter because it is related to the day-to-day activities of our life, and the main theme of the chapter is that how can we stay in good health. If I say in French, être en pleine forme. So in this chapter, we will be doing the questions and the letter. So the questions will be related to how one can be in good health, why one goes to the hospital, why one takes the medicine. All the questions specifically restricted to the health of a person. So after doing the culture and civilization, that is some specific questions, I will give you a list of points that how one can stay in good health. How will we write these points in French? You will use these points in your letter of section B whenever a letter comes from this chapter. So let's begin.
So our first question is, qu'est-ce que c'est le SECU? So Sécurité Sociale, it's an organization, official organization which is visited for the assurance of the material of the workers, their family in case of the sickness, the accident at the workplace, maternity leaves, and the guarantee of their wealth and well-being after their retirement. La Sécurité Sociale est une organisation officielle, the point I just told, visited for the security of the workers, their family, the accidents and the maternity leaves, and the guarantee after their retirement. The word retraite, it's retirement, and this question is very, very important for our board exams. Now the question number 2 is, que doit-on faire pour rester en pleine forme? So what do we have to do to stay in good health? Il faut faire the exercice physique comme le jogging, le yoga, etc. We should do the exercises, physical activities like jogging, yoga, and we should not eat fast food. So in our NCERT, a lot of points are given and we can also use any of them. Now question number 3 and 4 are very easy and they are more for the MCQs and fill-ups. Où on peut acheter des médicaments? From where can we buy the medicines? So we can buy the medicines à la pharmacie. We can buy the medicines from the pharmacy. Médicament is medicines. Now question number 4. Que fait le médecin? So he ausculte les malades. He takes care of the sick people and give them the medicines. Prescrire means to prescribe, and he prescribes them the medicines. Quel problème peut avoir à cause de trop pollution? What is the problem that we can face because of a lot of pollution? So avoir the problem de respiration, we can have the problem of respiration, the problem of breathing because of pollution. Again, an MCQ question. Question number 6. Quel sport faites-vous pour rester en forme? Which sports do you do to stay in form? So we can write other sports as well. The ones I have written. Nous faisons de la natation. We do the swimming. Et de l'aérobic, and do the aerobics to stay in form. You can write any other sports as well. Everything will work in this answer. Now in this question we have to tell some fast foods. Again you can write the answer according to your preference. The 3 things I have written: les burger, les chips, et le coca. The burger, the chips, le coca means the Coca-Cola. So you can also write anything which is your preference, like pizza, anything else. So this question is based upon the dialogue which is given in the book. Quand y a-t-il la possibilité d'attraper un rhume? Where is the possibility? When is the possibility that we can attract the cold? We can catch the cold. So we can catch the cold quand il fait froid, when it is cold. The weather is cold. Now coming to the very important topic of this chapter, these points will help us in writing a letter as well. What are the points to stay in good form? Être en pleine forme. First, boire beaucoup d'eau. Drink a lot of water. Manger des légumes et des fruits. Eat the vegetables and fruits. Faire du vélo. Do the cycling. Grimper la montagne. Climb the mountain. And bien dormir means to sleep well. Now coming to Other 5 points. Faire de la natation et de l'aérobic ou du yoga. Already done. Do the swimming, aerobic and yoga. Jouer au sport comme football. Again, you can write another example of the sports. You should do sports like football, basketball, cricket, anything. Ne mangez pas du fast food. Don't eat the fast food. Promenez-vous tous les soirs ou faites the jogging. Go for the walk each evening or do the jogging. And réveillez-vous. Wake up each morning a little early. These will also help us to write the letters. Also, if you get a question where you have to use these points, make sure you conjugate it. I have written it in an infinitive form. Faire, jouer, promener, réveiller. Conjugate it accordingly as it is required in the question. It is very general in what I have written in the video.
So these were all the questions and the main points that how one can be in good health at Troplan form. Please read this chapter from NCERT, learn all the questions and revise the points really well. This chapter is really very important for our board examinations. I will see you soon with chapter 8 in our next video. Till then, keep practicing. Merci.